Advay Agarwal, and today we'll talk about the Arctic. So see the picture on the laptop. This is the Arctic. As you can see, here are the polar bears. And this is snow, ice, showering. Okay, so what is the Arctic? The Arctic, I'll just get a pencil. The Arctic is the North Pole, the frozen ocean, and the northernmost part of Eurasia, Europe and Asia. That's called Eurasia, and North America. It is very cold with long winters and short summers. In summer, the sun never sets. Imagine being sunny here. In the Arctic, it is never night. Always sunny in the summer, never night. Like right now, it's night. But if you were in the Arctic, it would be daytime. Daytime. Okay. So see, this is right now summer. As you can see. But why there is so much ice here? Oh, summer. Alright. At the base of the food chain, in the water there is plankton, and on the land it's the flowers. During summer, migratory birds come to the Arctic to come to the Arctic. Let us look at some animals that live in the Arctic. Our number one animal will be the mighty polar bear. Wait. Okay. Mighty polar bear. I made a guess the animal of a polar bear. You can see that video. And these are also polar bears. Okay. Sorry. So just forget about that. Okay. Polar bears are the largest bear in the world, as well as the largest land carnivore, the biggest living land carnivore. Because the largest land carnivore would be the Spinosaurus. I'll talk about that in another video. As you can see, these polar bears are huge. It normally feeds on seals, catching them and killing them with a single swipe. Okay. Polar bear skin is black, not white. Now that will be tricky, but now let me tell you the reason. But it shows white because the fur reflects light. Okay, now our next animal will be the mystery of the sea. Now tell me which animal could it be? I'll give you 4 options. First one is beluga whale. Second is narwhal. Third is polar bear. Fourth is reindeer warblerfly. What do you think? It could be narwhal. Mystery of the sea. Narwhal. It lives in the water. This shown land here. Okay. Think of the unicorn, but in the sea. The narwhal has a horn, which is actually a tusk. Now, what are tusks? Animals like elephants, boars, and this, of course, narwhals have tusks. Horns, but there are tooth. This is a tooth. Okay, so I think I don't have to go that deep enough. Okay, narwhal is a mammal related to whales and dolphins. Oh, whales, because it's a mammal. It gives birth to young. Alright. The males have 1 tusk and in rare cases 2. Oh my. Like many other animals having horns or tusks or antlers, and Narwhal use the tusks to fight for fighting. Our next animal will be the super migrative Arctic Tern. Imagine flying from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back again every year. Now, the distance to the Arctic to the Antarctic is 13,000 kilometers. Imagine who would do that. The Arctic Tern does that. Now, let me tell you something interesting. The Arctic Tern only stops for eating and as well sleeps while it's flying. Birds need rest. Okay. So all these, what do you say this animal? Yeah, Terns. Arctic terns live for 30 years. Okay, so this is part 1. We are having a total of 3 parts. In our next part, we will talk about 3 other animals. Okay, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and share with your friends and family. And if you want to see more of my videos, all you have to do is click on that red button with a subscribe button on it. Until the next video, bye.